Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with Afterpay on eBay. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm on eBay website. So now for this demonstration, I'm just going to put a random item into my cart. So I'm on this item here, this 4K dash cam. I'm going to click add to cart. And then I'm going to click on checkout one item. So now I'm on the checkout page. I'm going to log in here. Alright, successfully logged in. And now at the checkout section, I can use my cards, and then we've got Afterpay here, 4 payments of $14. 55 divided by 4 is 14. Then I'm going to click pay with Afterpay. If you don't see Afterpay here, it's because Afterpay isn't available for that item inside eBay. So only some, not sure the percentage, but some items have Afterpay that you can pay with, and some items you don't have the choice to use Afterpay, so please take note of that as well.